It 91.4 centimeters. The barrier, which you will now see shortly, 3 foot. And then, of course, 28 hurdles and 7 water jumps. The basic of steeplechase. I still remember when I was there in my first Olympic Games in Athens 2004. It was the Kenyans 1, 2 and 3. And if you recollect, they held the record unbeaten for 28 years of 1, 2 and 3 in the Commonwealth Games till someone called Avinash Sable of the Mahar Regiment came in and took a silver. Unfortunately, he's down with a surgery. Avinash Sable trains at the high altitude of Colorado Springs in the United States. This is the early time, derived of course from the cross country, that's the steeplechase, and the obstacle course races. We're looking at Duladev Gagare, is it?
Yes, Duladev Gagare
of Maharashtra. He's 21 years old. 8 minutes 46.65. That's his best timing. That's the barrier height. That's the barrier which I did mention. And he is the 2024 Fed Cup silver medalist. He continues there with the athletes having started at the far side. They will now take the bend. That's the water jump. 3.66 meters. Muthu, do you ever want to try to appear for the bronze level examination?
Actually, announcers and commentators are not called for bronze level examinations.
So yeah, but it's not easy. I know it's not easy. You've got to work hard towards the preparation. The others now at the back, 14 of them, started with 15. It is Duladev Gagare of Maharashtra. Is Ghagre actually, not Gagare, it's Ghagre, that's right. I should know that well. It's Duladev Ghagre. Need to get the names of everyone right. That's what we try to do as commentators. We always learn the names. He might just about sneak away. 6 laps to go, Muthu. An event which, of course, but the laws allow the athlete to jump on and off the water jump barrier and to use the same technique in clearing the steeplechase hurdle. I wonder what happens to the shoes when they go back in the evening, Muthu.
It is Duladev Ghagre of Maharashtra who is in the lead, closely followed by Shubham Bandari of Maharashtra.
Yes, they seem to be strong at the cross-country event. The last cross-country event where I was lucky to be there was in Meerut last year. It was organized by the Athletic Federation of India in conjunction with the Indian Army, which has 3 brigades there. The 2 brigade commanders were present, and what a fabulous course that cross-country was in Meerut.
And now it is Shubham Bandari of Maharashtra who is in the front. In the second, Duladev Ghagre of Maharashtra. In the third at present, it is Benjamin Babu of Kerala. In the fourth, it is 132.
These will continue to change as they come now to the home straight and the finish of a normal track event. From where on it will be 1,600 meters to go. They started with 7, so they've cleared 3. And these athletes are also permitted to vault over the barrier, although this method is seldom used. The pattern continues to remain the same. It's Shubham Bandari of Maharashtra, 25 years old. Personal best of 8:39, which is also his season's best. Muthu 8:09.91. What a record that is.
There was a fall. Who was leading? Pukeshwar Lal of Chhattisgarh had a fall after the water jump, and now he is in the 6th position.
हिम्मते मरीदा अगर हो सब खुदा भी होता है जा ज़माने को दिखा दे खुद में दम क्या
And there is a bell sound which indicates for the leaders to go for the last lap at present. It is Atul Punia of Rajasthan who is in front, and close to him is 672 Shahrukh Khan of Uttar Pradesh. And now there is again a changeover in the leadership. Bal Kishan of Haryana is in front. Bal Kishan of Haryana is in front. In the second it is. Yes, they are about to have their last water jump. And here too, water jump is the one which makes some of the athletes to fall down. And that is 214 Bal Kishan of Haryana is very much in front, clearing his last hurdle, approaching towards the finish. That is Bal Kishan of Haryana. He was nowhere in top 6 in the initial rounds. He finishes well over there. And it was Bukeshwar Law of Chhattisgarh who was in the lead. He had a fall in the water jump that made him to slip to 6th position. And you could watch out. Bal Kishan of Haryana is comfortably ahead with a good lead, and nobody could catch him up at this stage.
जोश में चला जलजला चला अब रुकेंगे ना हम डर मिटा चला सर उठा चला अब झुकेंगे ना हम
Yes, there comes the result. Bal Kishan of Haryana clocking 8 minutes 51.17